Welcome to today's tutorial. We're making a book cover design, and let's get straight ahead to bring in the design that will be replicating. And this is designed by 99 Design. So this is what we'll be replicating in our tutorial, designed by this 99 Designs. So the first thing is adjust the image size, and for this one, let me just put the weight 7. There's 9, and then there you have it. So the color, we pick the color from the book itself, background of the book. So we have this to be like this. So this is the color of our book. Then the next thing is I want to start with that. The main thing there, say editing survival guide for writers. So let's put in editing first. And the color will be white. And then we give it the background color. Pick it from the original design. And there you have it. So what we want to do is, let's see the font that will be appropriate for this. Go over to our font and see what we have in. This one is different. Let's just see which font will give us something close to that. So more sugar is one. We'll check more sugar and see if it works out. Then another one, click cheese. Click cheese. I think more sugar is better so far. Let me see if I've got. Okay, more sugar, white beach. So copy this one. Let's see more sugar. One is close way. Editing. Another one we're gonna try. Price aura. Okay, so we just have to go with one. I want to try out one more font and see if it's got what we want. And that Oswald. Let's see Oswald. Okay, so all these fonts are good. Some are related in a way, but we just have to go with one. So I think I'll go with Oswald. It's not exactly what we have, but these other ones, they are quite different. This one is different, this one is different. So you can try out these two, but I'll just be using this for this tutorial. So now let's adjust the background using what we have there. So the left, right, then the top, bottom also. And you have it to be like this. So you have this to be like this. Copy it. Let's see the size. I think we want to reduce. Let's make it 150. We'll rotate to -5 is okay. So now you copy this, then survivor. Then you want to do, how are we going to rotate this one? Push it like this. Rotate it. Come down. Think this is okay. Take it up a little bit. Then copy. Then guide. Guide. So you want to push this up a little bit. 4. Copy. Save 4 there. This one will be small. Take it up. This particular one, we still work on the background. The top. The bottom. What happened? So you have this to be like this. I think this one you know the rotation. Then copy this. For writers. Right. To take this up a little bit. And there you have it. So we have this now. The other thing is bring this to the front. You bring in this pencil. So I want to see which of this would be okay. So this one. Let's see. This is okay. Okay. We'll erase that eraser there. Take out the eraser without media. Okay. So let's rotate it. Switch 3D rotate. No, not here. Because the shadow has to be the opposite side. It has to be something like this. Let's see, rotate it. So I have this like this. Let me see something. Okay, cancel first. Copy this. And brown. I want to try out something. Because I want to block out that. Let me see if this is gonna work out. Well, it can work out, but I want to save us some time. Let me save our time right now, so we don't hit around the bush too much. Then the color, let's use a gradient. Pick it from the pencil, zoom in, rotate this. And that way you go back, block it. That way you block out those things if you want, or you can remove it, whichever one is okay by you. Then we want to do this. Click everything and take it down a bit. So the next thing is copy this. Now we want to write Tinamolok. So take out the background and give it a color black. Okay, you want to take this to the back. So we have that. Then the last thing to bring in is how to find, evaluate, and hire your first editor. Let's just put it that way. How to find, evaluate, and hire your first editor. Okay, so the font to be using is one of those fonts we had checked. So let's see. I think this one is okay. How to find, evaluate. So align it to the center. So then this, remember, this is not pure black, so you should adjust it. Then from gallery, uh, let me just go to my download file and see what we have there. So if this is the first time I try, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what tutorials you want me to make more of in the comments section. Description, in this description of this tutorial, you see the resources that was used. So all you need to do is just to watch to the end and make sure you apply what you're learning. So I want to see which of these will be okay. I have let's see this. So I have this like this. See which of them will be okay. That now I should have been able to reach that part of the pencil, but we were not really able to achieve that, but we're still able to get something good. If you want to do that, you can still use draw. The only thing is you have to know how to use it very well so that you draw it from the mouth to the pencil. I don't want it to be too black. Shouldn't be too black. So you want to lock it. So if you still want, you can use draw. We have to know how to use it very well. So you draw from this pencil up until this point. We have to do it, take your time to do it very well, because it has to appear as if they are the same thing. See, so this is what it can take some of your time, but to do it, you learn. See, I'm moving myself, I'm doing it. So let's just assume that this work out well, but you can see it's not perfect, so you can make use of it or just delete it. So with that, we've come to the end of the tutorial. Make sure to replicate this. Remember those two lines I talked about usually that will aid in your mock-up. So you have this to be like this. The opacity is usually between 10 to 15. So then once you do that, you copy it, and so you have that. So you can go ahead and delete this. Once more, to give a shout out to the original designer, 99 Designs. Thank you for watching to the end. I remain Kingsley. So see you in our tutorial next time.